Okay, so we're installing this vinyl waterproof flooring, and I'm going to show you how to install this transition for in front of your door. So this is a aftermarket, or it's not the same brand as the flooring. It's a Project Source that came from Lowe's, I believe. So the way it comes is you get all these pieces, these shims. So you got to take these shims apart, and we're going to butt this against the door. So we got to leave this one with this piece on it right here, this piece. So it's going to go against the door, but you got to shim it up based on the thickness of your flooring. This is 6.5 millimeters, so we have to use both of the shims. And the way they make these shims is you have to take them apart. And we're going to cut it. All right, so they kind of fit into each other. And this is kind of how it's going to look right there, but you got to glue each one of these layers down. So we're going to glue this one right here. Then we're going to glue this one on top of that one. And then we're going to glue this one on top of that. And that'll give us our thickness for our 6.5 millimeter floor. And then this goes on after you do your flooring. So the way I went about it is, you want to cut this. I cut this the length to where it's just going to butt up to where your trim piece is, which is 1/8 of an inch reveal. So then you cut these under pieces 3/8 of an inch shorter on each end. So overall 3/4 of an inch shorter. So these are a little bit shorter. And then you want to trim 3/8 of an inch off of that little rim right there, so it'll set on top of the floor when you're done. So what I'm going to use is this glue right here, this instant bonding glue. And I'm going to also add some Lexel so it'll hold it permanently. So I'm going to mark this. So I'm going to add some Lexel along this edge to hold it permanently. But it's going to take a while for this to set up, so I'm going to use this. Well, I'm going to zigzag this one. So you have to use this activator. So you spray the back of this with the activator. And then once you put it down, it's down. And it's stuck right there instantly. So we're going to do the same thing with this one on top of that one. All right, last one. So this one, you want to make sure this edge is about 1/16 of an inch away from the door jamb, because it has a little bit more than this edge. So you want to hold it back about 1/16 of an inch from the door. All right, that's it. Now you cut in your flooring around that, and then you put this in and it'll lap over. You see where I cut 3/8 of an inch, or more like a 1/2 inch off of that. That way it'll lay over on top of the flooring like that when you put this on.